Hey everyone, struggling with Tesco mobile data roaming not working? Don't worry. In this quick guide, I'll show you simple fixes to get your internet up and running while traveling. Stay tuned and get connected in no time. Tesco mobile data roaming may not work due to several reasons, including disabled data roaming settings, incorrect APN configuration, network selection issues, or reaching data usage limits set by the provider. Additionally, temporary signal problems in the roaming area or compatibility issues with the local networks can also affect connectivity. Fix 1. Check roaming settings. Ensure that data roaming is enabled on your device. For iPhone, go to Settings, then Cellular, then tap on Cellular Data Options and toggle data roaming on. For Android, navigate to Settings, then Connections, then go to Mobile Networks and enable data roaming. Fix 2. Check for signal issues. Ensure that you are in an area with adequate mobile signal coverage. You can check the network status using Tesco's online signal checker. Enter your postcode or location details. Select the network type. Click Search button to know the signal. Fix 3. Change network mode. Changing the network mode can help troubleshoot data roaming issues by allowing your device to connect to a more compatible network, as different networks may offer varying levels of service and connectivity in roaming areas. For iOS, open the Settings app, tap on Cellular, then select Cellular Data Options. From there, tap on Voice and Data and choose your preferred network mode 5G, 4G, or 3G. This allows you to optimize your data speed based on your needs. For Android, go to Settings, tap on Mobile Network, then select Network Mode. Choose your desired options from 5G, 4G, or 3G. This helps in managing connectivity and ensuring you have the best available network for your location. Fix 4. Manually select network. Manually selecting a network allowing users to identify available networks and connect to one with better signal strength, which can resolve connectivity issues while traveling. For iOS, open the settings, go to cellular, then network selection, turn off the automatic option, wait for available networks to appear and choose a preferred carrier. For Android, go to settings, then mobile network on network operators. Disable the automatic selection and your device will search for available networks. Choose your desired carrier from the list. Fix 5. Check usage. Make sure you have not reached the data limit. Log into your Tesco mobile account using app or website. You can see the balance in the dashboard. Go to Balances at the bottom left of the screen. Click on the top of data balance to add more data. Select a one-off data bundle based on your needs. Example 500 in MB for pound 3 or a 10 GB for 17 pounds. Complete the purchase and the bundle will be added to your account. Fix 6. Verify APN settings. Ensure the access point name APN is correctly set to tescomobile.liffytelecom.com. This settings is crucial for data connectivity while roaming. For iOS device, go to settings, then cellular, then go to cellular data. Enable LTE, add the APN with the following details. APN tescomobile.liffytelecom.com. Leave the remaining section as it is. For Android, go to Settings, then Internet and Connections, then go to Mobile Networks, access point name, tap 3 dot menu, add to right corner, select Add, then go to enter the following details. APN tescomobile.liffytelecom.com. Leave the remaining section as it is. Fix 7. Contact Tesco Mobile Service. If the problem persists, reach out to Tesco Mobile Customer Service for further assistance. They can help troubleshoot specific issues related to your account or a SIM card. You can call them at 0894 200 from another mobile or 1903 from your Tesco mobile.
Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button.